Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bitcoin Knots. Bitcoin Knots is a powerful, open-source full-node implementation of the Bitcoin protocol, offering enhanced privacy and security. It's built upon Bitcoin Core, but includes additional features for those who prioritize control and anonymity. By running your own node, you contribute to the network's health and verify transactions independently, without relying on third parties. To begin, download the latest version of Bitcoin Knots from its official source. It's crucial to verify the software's authenticity using the provided cryptographic signatures to prevent tampering. Before installation, confirm your system has ample storage, ideally 500 gigabytes or more, to accommodate the entire Bitcoin blockchain. This step ensures a secure and stable foundation for your node. Once installed, your Bitcoin Knots node will begin synchronizing with the Bitcoin network. This process involves downloading the entire blockchain, which can take several days depending on your internet speed and hardware. You can also adjust various configuration options, such as network settings for better privacy, or enabling pruning to reduce the disk space required after the initial sync. With your Bitcoin Knots node fully synchronized, you can now connect your favorite compatible wallet to it. This allows your wallet to interact directly with your own node for transaction verification, rather than relying on external servers. By doing so, you gain a significant boost in privacy and security, ensuring that your Bitcoin transactions are handled with maximum independence and trust.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.